जय,
भारत माता की
जय,
भारत माता की
जय.
That is exactly the sentiment of the Indian contingent at the moment. After you see Mira, Alaknanda ji has already started the dance. Brilliant. That is what is needed. But I'll start with Rohit. Rohit, brilliant, isn't it? I mean, to see Mira come and do this domination, Ravi Bengani, Rohit Rajpal, Rahul Swami, Alaknanda Ashok, all of them were there celebrating Mira. 3 consecutive gold medals. And after her Glasgow medal, this is legendary.
Absolutely, and as Indians to sit there and watch this complete domination, and then the flag going up, national anthem being played. I mean, it just doesn't get better than this. I mean, you rarely see this kind of domination where you're just attempting also 20 kilos ahead of the other person's best. I mean, really beautiful.
जब वो नेशनल एंथम चल रहा था और वो रो रही थी, everybody sort of you feel something, no?
ने हम लोग इमोशनल हो गए थे. हम लोगों को इतना प्राउड फील हो रहा था और ऐसा क्लीन स्वीप कि भारत के आसपास कोई नहीं है. मजा आ गया था और फ्लैग को ऊपर जाते हुए देखकर तो हम लोग भी थोड़ा सा इमोशनल हो गए थे. और मीरा एक्चुअली काफ़ी इमोशनल थी और उनको बहुत अच्छा भी लग रहा था कि उन्होंने गोल्ड लिया है अपनी कंट्री के लिए. वी आर सो प्राउड ऑफ हर.
Ravi, same question. When the national anthem is played and, an athlete does this kind of an achievement, as administrator, as a people part, leading the delegation, you must be feeling very, very proud.
I had goosebumps. I still have goosebumps. I also had a small tear going down. Honestly, because that was such a proud moment for each and every one of us Indian. For us, that was our victory.
Yeah.
Led by her.
Yeah.
But it was the victory of the 1.45 billion people of India. And trust me, to hear your national anthem on that stage, I mean, that is the biggest satisfaction which any Indian, a true Indian, can ever get. To hear his national anthem being played over there.
Yes, Alaknanda ji, before I go to round.
बहुत बार ऐसा होता है, प्लेयर हमारे बहुत अच्छा कर रहे होते हैं बट उनका दिन नहीं होता. आज हमारा दिन था, वो बिल्कुल अपनी फिटनेस में थी और उन्होंने इतने मार्जिन से गोल्ड मेडल लिया कि बस पूछे ही नहीं.
मुझे जो अच्छा लग रहा है, आप लोग सुबह से यहाँ पे लगे हुए हो. इतना गाली पड़ता है आप लोगों को, आप लोग कहीं जाते नहीं हो, बाबू कल्चर करते हो, यहाँ आ जाते हो. I have to put this on record. I've been here from the 19th. I have seen him, I've seen you, I've seen her. Every event, every venue, you all are walking around. This is what Team India is all about. This is what one needs to celebrate.
So if you look at it this time, this is my first experience. I'm with the Paralympic Committee of India. But ऐसा लग ही नहीं रहा कि मैं कोई अलग अपने ऑर्गेनाइजेशन से किसी दूसरी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन में काम कर रहा हूँ. Once you are here, it's always one flag, one kit, and it's one team. So it's been fantastic. And मैं तो मीरा भाई को मैं बहुत पहले से टीवी पे देखता हूँ. मेरे लिए पहला एक्सपीरियंस था तो मुझे देख के बहुत मजा आया.
As leader of the delegation, both of you, this is, now you got a gold, you got a silver. I am predicting another silver from Raja this evening. If he goes to plan, he has a crack at gold, but largely silver is what I'm thinking. So far, so good from weightlifting. 9 medals are a reality.
Yeah, I think we've been speaking to the weightlifting team, the coaches. They seem to be very confident. Of course, we had some setbacks with a couple of people being reduced, but I think they're all very confident of getting at least 8-9 medals. Which medals is obviously, it's just that particular day that you perform or you don't perform, but somebody else rises to the occasion. But I'm looking forward that my players are going to rise to the occasion and get us the gold and get India up there, and that's what we're looking at. And this is a style to do it. And I mean, I've been in sport for many years, but with Mirabai doing this complete domination it's really touching and beautiful to see that at least we're moving up. And we're dominating something completely by 20 kilos. It's a lot. So,
Alaknanda ji, I'll tell you, ज्ञानेश्वरी जाधव को देखने आइएगा जरूर. छत्तीसगढ़ से है वो.
बिल्कुल.
One of the most articulate athletes recently I've met. I will recommend Gyaneshwari Jadhav and another girl, very young, Martina Devi. We've never won a medal in super heavyweight in weightlifting. 20-year-old from Manipur. Superstar. I asked her a question, my colleague, when we went to Birmingham. So he asked her because he speaks Manipuri. So he said to her कि यार टाइम एडजस्ट करने में प्रॉब्लम हो रहा है, टाइम जोन्स. सो उन्होंने कहा कि आप रात का 3 बजे दे दो उठा देंगे, 4 बजे दे दो उठा देंगे, हमारा काम उठाना है उठा देंगे. मैं ना सुन के खाली सोच रहा था. These are great stories.
यस बिल्कुल हमारे प्लेयर्स तैयार हैं और इस बार हम लोग गोल्ड ही लेकर जाएंगे और ये जो हमारे बडिंग स्टार्स हैं ये देखिएगा आगे क्या क्या करते हैं।
इनका जोश अच्छा लगता है मुझे यार।
इनका कल इनको मैंने अपनी लॉन बॉलिंग के वेन्यू में देखा था कैसे चीयर कर रहे थे, मुझसे ज्यादा चीयर तो ये कल कर रहे थे।
ये और
players को।
त्रिशा इन दोनों को एक साथ दे दो बाकी डर जाएंगे।
हाँ, बिल्कुल सही। कैसे वो लोग पुतुल के लिए चीयर कर रहे थे, अमेजिंग, बहुत अच्छा लगा देखकर। लाइक यू नो दैट वाज द ट्रू स्पिरिट ऑफ बीइंग अ इंडियन, यू नो
Superb.
दैट वाज लाइक a fantastic thing being present over there and seeing it all unfolding in front of your eyes. It was just like too good.
Rahul, last question to you. You won 111 at the Asian Para Games, but this one is a different experience. I mean, to share this together, to enjoy together, to celebrate together must be great.
It's a completely different experience, and so many sports I'm getting introduced for the first time. Lawn bowl. In fact, we are planning to also develop para lawn bowl. So I'm meeting new people, seeing how they are, how much hard work they're doing. I'm also learning from them because this is new for me. So it's a fantastic experience, and I hope they keep calling me for such things. We've to, after all, host.
तुम plug भी कर दियो आपने आपको। अच्छा है, चलो, good.
See, we have to host now the Commonwealth Games in
Yes.
2030, and of course, Paralympic sports will be a part of that. So I mean, we have to work for that.
हाँ ये उसकी
together.
भी तैयारी है।
And I will put this on record. Rahul Swami has done excellent work as far as parasport. I've been doing parasport for a long time. It's been such joy to come here to Glasgow to see this Indian contingent. Rohit Rajpal, Ravi Bengani, chef to mission, deputy chef to mission. Alaknanda ji has been part of Indian Olympic sport for such a long time. Rahul Swami, as I said, from Paralympic sport. The quest has just begun, folks. The quest has just begun. 27 medals is my prediction. So keep supporting. Thank you very much. Thank you. Thank you. एक बार cheer हो जाए finally.
यस भारत माता की
जय
भारत माता की
जय
वंदे
मातरम
वंदे
मातरम।
ये
Brilliant.